Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk Tech. I have a question for you. Do you have an existing floor plan of your current house? I mean, an updated floor plan of your existing house? If you don't, here's a pro tip. If you're doing any type of renovation to your house or you're adding an addition onto your house, you will definitely need an as-built floor plan. An architect or a construction professional will definitely ask you the question, do you have a floor plan of the existing house? Your answer should be yes, I do. And that will make their job way easier. So today, we're going to do a deep dive into why you need an existing floor plan of your existing house. Let's jump onto the computer. So we are here in Matterport, and here at Tri-State 3D, our workflow starts with a beautiful Matterport walkthrough. Before I get started, I just wanted to throw a couple things out there. So just think about it. You know, your home evolves over time. Walls get knocked down, rooms are repurposed. Without an updated floor plan, you could be working with outdated information, and you need this information when it really matters. So it'd be good just to be able to just give the contractor or architectural professional, say, hey, yeah, I do have a floor plan of my existing house and it's updated. This will save you so much time and heartache. Let's just say something really happens to your home and you really want that floor plan, you'll have it. So let's jump back in here. So here is a Matterport walkthrough that we did for a client that was, they sold the home and then the new buyer bought it and they're trying to renovate this home. But guess what? They don't have a floor plan. So they called Tri-State 3 to say, hey, can you create a as-built floor plan for me? We said, sure. So this is the Matterport walkthrough here. So let's just walk through the house real quick. So here is the living room / family room here. We walk back here. Here's our kitchen area. We have our powder room here. And this is another room back here. Yep. Boom. Another room back here, closet space. And then here, boom, here is the backyard. You take that door, boom, you're back into the backyard. So again, kitchen area. So then here, oh, well, it jumped all the way to the basement, but there's the landing. And so here is the basement area. And of course, in the basement, we'll locate all the essential things that any construction professional or architectural professional may need, which is the electrical box here, HVAC system. And if we go back here, boom, you'll see the hot water heater. So let's jump to upstairs. Let's go back upstairs here. And then let's work our way to the actual second floor. The beautiful thing about this is it's all in 4K. All in 4K. So you can see a lot of detail. So now we're walking back up here to the second floor. And then here is a bedroom. And then you have a full bath here. And then right around here will be their closet area. So then let's walk back out to the hallway. And here is the second floor bath. Full bath here. And then you have your laundry closet here located on the second floor. Bedroom. And then you have a closet here. We do scan all the closets. It's very important. Very important for as-built floor plans. And we also locate the doors as well as the ceiling heights. Those things are very important. I'm giving up some pro tips here, people. So then you come up to the third floor. You have another room here with a closet. And then we have our final room on the third floor, which is here. And then you have your closet here. So that's the Matterport walkthrough. So now we are going to jump into Revit and I will show you the point cloud. So we are back in Revit and here is the point cloud, which is very important for every project. You can see that the point cloud capture is very useful. You can actually kind of see it from this perspective here is you can actually see the basement, and you could actually see the walls. You see stairs, first floor, second floor, and then we actually can see this third floor here. And we also see the adjacent houses here. So let me jump into the first floor plan view to show you what we'll be starting with, which is here. So you can see here we have our room back here. We have our hall leading back to that room. And what's so incredible is that you could actually see the dividing interior walls of this space. And we'll get measurements from those. And you can also see how the adjacent spaces kind of come together from this point cloud view. So you see here that you have your stair going down to the basement, and then you have another stair going up to the second floor. And so here I will show you our final deliverable to the client, which is the actual finished floor plan. You see that we have the exterior walls here. We have the wall height here, and you see that we've located all the essential things here. HVAC, hot water heater, stair going up to the first floor. And then we have the actual space, which is labeled. We'll hop to the first floor, and you'll see the living room. We've located the stair. We've also located this gas line here, which is very central. Sidewalk, and then electric meter. And we labeled all of the rooms. So then you have your stair going up to the second floor, and then you have your stair going down to the basement. Very crucial. And we also labeled the backyard. Second floor, you see it. We have another bedroom here, bedroom in the back, bedroom in the front here. Closet areas are very crucial that we locate those, as well as the laundry areas. And of course, the hall. And then we also have to locate that stair going up to the third floor, and then the stair going back down to the first floor. You have your closet area here, and then this is what we've seen in the walkthrough, this full bath here. Third floor, roof below, hall, bedroom, closet, and then another bedroom here. So this is just an example of what we'll give to the client. So our deliverable will be a Matterport walkthrough, plus you will get a finished floor plan. And then if you need it, we will also give you elevations, which I highly recommend to just get elevations and a floor plan done. So this is an example of what you might get. So if you're in the tri-state area, we're located in Wilmington, Delaware. We provide this service to all our clients. You don't really have to be a professional to need our services. You could be a regular homeowner who would just like to have a floor plan of their home, and we can provide that. So even if you don't live in a tri-state area, still contact us. We could probably make something happen. So this is it for today. Like and subscribe, and tune in next week where we'll be dropping more gems, more DEI homeowner things to help you through any renovation process. Stay tuned. Have a good week. Peace.